surprise breakfast made for my boyfriend. I got French toast bread, and a green apple. Yeah. So gonna put it syrups, maple, maples. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is good. Ooh, oh la la. Look at that. Maple syrups. For the French toast he made. Thank you, Anne, for making the breakfast. Yeah, it's really good. Ah. Okay tayo.
Already hot. I want to sprinkle a little more cinnamon.
Thank
I
you.
don't know, do you taste cinnamon?
A little bit. And then he bring me a cinnamon powder with a French toast he made. It's really good, my love. I really like it. So yummy. Make me my coffee also.
Really good, but I don't know. Can you have nuts?
No, no nuts. I cannot eat nuts. Thank you.
I'm going to put these nuts on mine.
I want to eat together with you.
Be in 3 minutes.
Can I eat alone? Oh, so good. French toast. This is a French toast breakfast. So good. Smaklaka. I got Australian thick and creamy yogurt. Black Sunny. I'm from Australia. Proudly Australia. Proudly Dairy Farmer Australia. Have to eat yogurt every morning and break yogurt to plain. Mwah, muswabwa. Konswamba. Konswaba. Komiswa. I love French toast breakfast. Oh, merci. Muswabwa. Comment ça boit? Oh là là.
The first thing that I'd like to do is save every day till eternity passes away, just to spend them with you. If I could
Danke well.
raise less
Thank you, love.
love